You generated a great offer 3 weeks ago, but where did it go? Was it this tool or that one? Digging through chat history isn't a real answer. With Vyroq's growth tools, every run is logged forever. On any tool card, click View Run History. You'll land on the Run History panel for that exact tool. Every past generation, most recent first, nothing mixed in from other tools. Click into any entry and Vyroq loads it back up. Same sections, same formatting, exactly as it looked the day you generated it. Nothing's ever lost, even months later. And if a result is still loading, you'll see Loading Result instead of a blank, confusing screen. Found the one you need? Click back to History to keep browsing, or back to Tools to jump to a different one entirely. Your place is never lost mid-review. That's a full paper trail on every generation you've ever run. Searchable, reopenable, and yours to revisit anytime. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.